नमस्ते, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया है।
बढ़िया।
जी।
So back here for the third time in less than 10 days because we love the food so much.
Butter chicken or naan?
Same. You don't want to try anything new?
Like what?
Chicken biryani. क्या हुआ?
The food is quite yummy. It reminds us of home.
Alright.
It feels like home.
This is why you planning to come here again?
Again tomorrow, because tomorrow is pretty much the only time we could eat here. Saturday morning we are going to Kampot, and Tuesday morning we're leaving for Vietnam.
Teacher Vishal.
Yeah.
Where is the nearest laundry?
In the in here house near in the along the street.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Plan for the day. Two things that I need to do. One, three things actually. A, I need to get tickets, bus tickets for our trip to Kampot tomorrow. Number two is I need to get the laundry done. A lot of clothes that we haven't really. And number three, I was planning to make a nice artwork for this door there. Let's have a look. Hey, what's up? So these three doors, Gabriel. Yay, buddy. These three doors, I'm planning to make like a nice art work for this with chart paper. Now I need to get the laundry done and buy those tickets for a trip to Kampot tomorrow. And yeah, I'm also trying something new this time. I have this mount for the GoPro. It's basically a handlebar mount, and I think it'll maybe give a nice perspective to the whole video. So let's see how it works. That's my trusted bike. So this is the handle mount. It's a little on the looser side, so I've just tried to tighten it by adding this piece of paper. I think it looks good. I think this road is a one-way. It definitely is a one-way. Anyways, the thing about these laundry stores is most of them have a sumo wrestler with an iron drawn outside the store. So I'm looking for one of those signs. I knew I had seen this laundry guy on my way to Aeon Mall a couple of times. So this one's a little far, but then I couldn't find any laundry guy over there, so I had to cycle all the way down. Hello. For washing.
Washing only.
Yeah, washing only.
Washing and also dry.
No. And dry, yeah, and dry as well.
$1 for kilo.
And when will I get these clothes back?
You want wash only?
Dry, as well as dry.
Or dry? Maybe tomorrow discount.
Oh, I can't. I need the clothes today.
Today?
Yeah, because
maybe,
I'm.
this evening? Okay.
Evening, yeah, can do.
Okay.
Can do.
Wash and dry?
Washing and drying, yes. task number 1 is done. Now I'll be off to Capital Tours to get the tickets for Campot. Back at Capital Tours and Travels. Hello. I need 2 tickets to Campot for tomorrow morning. Yeah. This is going to be Campot, 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. 18,000 riyal. Akon. Damn, it's really hot. But look at that sky. Clear blue sky. Oh, sorry. I have this uncanny ability to get lost, even in the most simple routes. I don't know where I am. Hey buddy, what's up? Time to head back. Street school. Hey Ben! Panya, you want me to make you a paper plane?
I know.
You want a paper plane? You want the big one or the small one?
The small.
The small one, the one which moves like this. The big one goes straight like a rocket.
The small one go higher and higher.
Yeah, the small one go high, correct? Nen,
Teacher, I want to wear that.
give me a high five, buddy.
Teacher,
Wow!
Teacher, can I
High
wear?
five. Ah, that was too
I want
soft.
to wear the camera.
You want to wear the camera?
Yeah.
But you can't wear the camera. I'm holding the camera.
I take a picture everyone.
Look at Nen. Look at Nen. See? That's Nen. I think Yasha and I will step out for lunch to our favorite Indian restaurant. Oh yeah.
So it's 18th Friday, 18th of October Friday, and we're walking towards Sher Punjab. This is the 3rd time that we're eating in there. 4th time we were eating there in the last 10 days, and we promised Indian treats only once a week. The food is really yum, and it makes it all worthwhile. The 2-kilometer walk, the sunny weather, it's all worthwhile for the yum butter chicken and naan. What do you think, Adit? Do you like the food at Sher Punjab? Yesterday we had the biryani, which was okay. It wasn't like the authentic biryani, although biryani is really tough to crack. But butter chicken and naan is absolutely bang on. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. Biryani wasn't that great, but
That's because, you know, biryani is not that easy to crack.
great. That's true.
So it was more like a chicken pulao than a biryani.
And I think the portion size wasn't really that great as well.
Yep.
But butter chicken is like fantastic. The naans, the garlic naan, all the breads are like amazing. Dive for.
Yeah.
Really excited.
They've mastered the butter chicken and naan bread. So, really excited. Whoops! Cross.
Incredibly satisfying meal. Yeah, Amrita ji. She's the one who runs the restaurant.
चलो बाय बोलो.
चलिए. Thank you. चलो जी, let's go. जी बिल्कुल हम मंडे को तो आपके वो साउथ इंडियन वाले में जाएंगे. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. I don't feel like walking.
टुक ले ले.
No. बेचारी ऐसा. So freaking tired, है ना? Tired as in not tired. Hi, how are you? Tired as in tired of me. Not letting her take the tuk-tuk.
At least you know the facts. So as
At least
long
I-
as you're not under an illusion, I'm okay with that. But if I ask you like 10 times for a tuk-tuk,
Yeah.
you
See,
should
it's-
agree to take tuk-tuk once.
No. See, I'll tell you what my thing is. So I have basically set these limits for us. But you know, we started off the trip on a real cool note, which is the whole $600 loss. So I decided that we'll try to save every single dollar. Also, given the fact that in Southeast Asia, $1 means a lot. $1 is like a meal, a complete meal for one person. For $2, you can actually get a dorm bed in certain hostels. So every dollar counts. Also, add to it the fact that our trip, the duration depends to quite a great extent on how far we can actually stretch our money. So, nice. Now I'll come to the limits. The limits.
करके फट गया.
So the limits for the two of us. So whenever Yasha is involved, I think around 2 kilometers. If the destination is around 2 kilometers away, less than 2 kilometers, then I prefer to walk because 2 kilometers is not really a quickie. If I'm alone, then 4 to 5 is okay. So if it's more than 4 to 5 and I'm alone,
Another 300 का कीड़ा लग गया तो problem हो जाएगी.
this is not 300, this is $400.
Oh no, मेरे लग walk to Vietnam.
No, the Vietnam tickets are already done, so you don't need to.
Then we'll have to walk to Hanoi.
Yeah, we'll have to walk. The road trip from Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh to Hanoi will be on foot.
Walking trip.
Check that out. Look at that sky. Beautiful sky.
It's very hot.
I know.
क्या है ये हर रोज 2-2 किलोमीटर 4-4 किलोमीटर चलाने का रास्ता. क्या बकवास है यार ये.
हर रोज 2-2 किलोमीटर कौन चलता है? मैंने तो बोला मैक्सिमम है.
मैक्सिमम नहीं है. अभी हम जा रहे हैं.
Nice meeting you, Petra. Thank you so much for the clothes.
Yes, thank you.
Happy, Yasha?
Very happy with my new clothes. I have to go to wear now.
Nice. Step out now.
Bye. Bye. Say goodbye.
Bye.